Good morning, everyone. I'm back home in Roslin again. Not in Roslin, in Milton Bridge. We used to live in Roslin. I've decided today to do a kind of a close-up. I don't know if you can see those. I've got oranges in a bowl. And there's this nice contrast with the blue pattern on the nice bowl that I got from my friend Carl. So, and what I thought I'd do as well as having a contrast in the pattern and the blue and the orange. And no, Margot, you can't come up here now. She's really cute when she sits on your knee, but I can't paint when she's on my knee, so you can't. Okay, right. I need to go to the shop as well for milk because we've no supplies. No, Margot. Right. So I'm going to start with a vigorous. I'm just going to put on some orange. You know, the minute you start using that colour, you get a lift. That bright orange is lovely. And there's red as well now that I'm putting in. It's a bit redder than it actually is, but it just seems like the right colour to use. These are oil pastels. I've got a few different... what am I going to do now? I think I'll make them even bigger. So if you tear the paper off your oil pastels and turn them on their sides, you can get a bigger shape. I like to do that. It really can't be bothered with keeping the oil pastels and crayons and things really neat looking, because I think it keeps your painting real sort of neat looking then. Right. I'm looking around because I wish that I had but you know what I wish I had now is ink and a stick. I might have it. Oh, I do. So this is Indian ink, and Margot, honest to God, look what she's doing there now. You see, she's just toppled over the cup. I think she wants to have a drink. She's already been drinking the painting water. Right, look here. Do you want to drink that? There you go. So there she is now drinking the painting water. No, she's not. She's just playing around. Okay. She said, better get moving. So this is the ink and the stick. And the stick is a sharpened old paintbrush that's been sharpened at the end. Just with a Stanley knife. So that means now that I can draw the shape of the oranges a bit. Just get a feel for the size that I want them to be. Close to the rim of the fruit bowl. It's going to be back further. Just want to show you Margot. There she is, drinking her water. My water. Okay. I'm going to continue with the stick. I like the fact that the stick is a kind of an organic line. You can't be in control of it. Like it's kind of, although when you hold the stick vertically like this, it allows the ink to run down a bit more freely. Sometimes it glides over the oil pastel, and sometimes it stops and starts. But that's all okay, isn't it? Now let me see. There's a nice bright orange there, and what I'm going to do now, I'll just leave that to one side. What I'm going to do with the bright orange is maybe stick on a bit of this. It's not, you know, it's more of a yellow orange than a red orange. Let's see what I have in my bag here. No, that's not it either. I quite like this actually. It's a bit early in the morning for me. I'm opening the wrong end of the glue. Right, there we are. I think I like that. I might put a bit of that elsewhere too. And see if I can find a yellow orange that I can put on in oil pastel over the top. I'm kind of conscious that I need to keep moving so that I've got time to get the milk before they go to school, and also so that I don't get a bit bogged down and, you know, bored. Oh, it's got very black. But I think I can cover that with when the ink dries, I can cover it with the oil pastel there, so I'm just going to let that piece on there. Just dry the ink a bit more. And I think now if I could find the quality of the oil pastels is important. I think for this kind of work you want it to be able to cover, to easily cover the you want it to have good coverage, because I do want it to be able to cover over the Indian ink. All my oranges seem to be very red, so I want to find a yellow that'll counteract the redness. Maybe I need to break open the second box here. And I want to leave time as well to do the, oh there we are, that might work. It's pretty much the same, is it? I don't know. I was going to say I want to be able to, yeah, I want to leave time to do this lovely blue bowl as well. That's just impatience. Now I'm getting stuck into the Indian ink is spreading all over the place because I'm not letting it dry enough. But again, it's alright. I think it makes it kind of painterly. I get a lot of painterly stuff. Calling it painterly. Anyway, okay. So put those up there because I'm going to need them again. Oh look, I found an orange that's more orange. Did I? Yes, I think that's more yellow orange. And you know, there is a lemon over there behind that as well. That's not yellow, that's white. This looks yellow. There we are. There's a lemon back there. Right, now I'm going to get on to... How long have I left? So, oh, jeepers, I only 1 minute. Okay, so in that case, I'm not going to do a painted, delicate bowl. What I'm going to do is stick on a bowl, because I've only got 1 minute to do it in. Nothing like a time constraint to keep you lively. Come on. Pressure's on now. Because I think the thing that I loved about this was the contrast between the pattern on the bowl and the blue bowl, and the overlapping delicate bowl over the brighter orange shapes here. So that's done. And now I'm going to do a quick, if I've got any bit of time left. No, I don't. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.